What is BIW fixture design? It is the stage in automobile manufacturing in which a car body's frame has been joined together. That is before painting and before motor, chassis sub-assemblies or trim have been joined to structure. Assembly involves variety of joining methods such as welding spot, MIG and mag welding, or friction, stir, riveting, clinching, bonding and laser brushing. Term body in white comes from practice of painting car bodies white before they fitted with trim. This was done to protect metal from corrosion and to make any defects in the finish more visible. BIW is a critical stage in manufacturing process, as it determines overall shape and structure of car. The accuracy of BIW assembly is essential for ensuring that the car is safe and performs as designed. In recent years, there has been a trend towards light weighting of BIWs. This is being done to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Some of the ways that BIWs are being made lighter is using HSS, aluminum and composite materials. BIW fixture design is the process of designing and manufacturing fixtures that are used to hold and locate car body components during welding, assembly and other manufacturing operations. Fixtures are essential for ensuring that car bodies are assembled accurately and consistently, and they can also help to improve productivity and quality. I hope this helps. For more such valuable information, like and subscribe our channel.